What's up guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros. In this video we will be showing you exactly how to jump higher at home for a backflip. So how to jump higher for a backflip. Keep in mind that your arms are a big part of it. If you swing your arms like crazy, a bigger backflip, a higher backflip. So what you want to do is swing your arms a ton, guys, all right? When you're doing a backflip, and even when you're just practicing jumps for the backflip. We're just gonna be showing you the jumps for the backflip, how to jump higher in general, but swinging your arms is a really big part of it. And really swinging your arms back like this, and then going up, going straight up, and then swinging them all the way all the way up to your shoulders, like all the way back. So, and then also what you want to do is you want to warm up. All right, warm-ups are you just can't just jump right into doing a backflip, and you just can't jump right into jumping your highest right away. You have to warm up. Like I always say, I like to warm up with high knees. I like to warm up with butt kickers. And I like to warm up my ankles as well. Do ankle circles. I also like to warm up the hamstrings and the hips. And then the hips as well. So once you're warmed up and everything, and you know, swing your arms like crazy, the next thing to jump high is to just give everything you have with your legs. You know, you want to go down into a good position where you're like almost at 90 degrees with your legs, and then in a natural position, and then just shoot back up as high as you can. Okay, you don't want to go like to a squat and go like that, because that's just you're gonna lose your height that way. And you also don't want to not bend enough to where you're just going like that. So you want to make sure you bend your knees enough, but not too much, but it'll come naturally to you. I really like to explode, so I like to start with my friend Darius. Shout out to him, he taught me this. I like to keep my arms just normal, and then just like squat, just go down really quick and just fire down and then go back up. So those are a few tips to get you to jump higher for a backflip. Honestly, once you have a backflip on ground, you got to keep, just dialing it in and just keep getting it better and better, and you're gonna get it higher and higher. Just keep practicing the backflip and you'll get better. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos. Click the link in the description for my story, and I'll talk to you guys later. God bless.
Boom!
Thanks, bro.
Yeah.